Central. It's Ms Paola once again with you guys, and I have a super fun and exciting video planned for you guys today. As you guys know, the theme for this week is nature, and I thought it would be a super cool idea if today we did a little experiment in a jar. So you guys might be wondering, what are we going to be doing? And the answer is we're going to be creating a snowstorm in a jar. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to do it, keep on watching and I will let you guys know what you guys will be needing. Let's get started. Alright, so you guys will be needing an empty jar, preferably a glass jar like this one. It doesn't have to be too big or too small, but this is the size I'm using. And you guys will need about a cup of water. You guys will also be needing baby oil, some white paint. You guys will be needing glitter as well. You guys will also be needing some Alka-Seltzer pills, or the little tablets. So I got 2 little packets of these. So let's get started.
Alright everyone, so now that we have all of our materials, we're going to go ahead and take our cup of water and we're going to go ahead and pour it into our glass jar. Once we have done that, the next step is to go ahead and take our baby oil, open up the bottle, and we're going to go ahead and pour all the bottle into our glass jar. So make sure you guys have a jar that is big enough for the whole bottle of baby oil to fit inside the jar. So that's what I am doing here. So now that our baby oil and the water are in the jar, we're going to go ahead and take our white paint and we're going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit of that paint into the glass jar. Once we have done that, we're going to go ahead and take the glitter and dump about half of the container into the jar. So that's what I did. I only did about half of the small container of glitter. So you guys can kind of see how much I put in. And once it's in there, we're gonna go ahead and take our spoon and give it a light mix. Make sure you guys don't mix it too fast because then everything could get mixed up. So make sure you guys do it slowly with the spoon or with the fork, whatever you guys have. Go ahead and mix that in. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wait about 3 minutes so we can have our glitter and our white paint all the way at the bottom of the jar, as you guys can see. So now that your jar looks like this and the white paint and the water is separated from the oil, now comes the fun part. We are going to go ahead and take our Alka-Seltzer tablets and we're going to go ahead and drop it in our jar. Are you guys ready for a snowstorm? Here it comes. Once you drop it in the jar, you guys will get your snowstorm. I just want to explain to you guys the reason why we get this reaction from the Alka-Seltzer and the water is because the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water, creating all those bubbles, and the oil from the baby oil pushes them down. So that's why we get that reaction, and it looks like a snowstorm. So that is the kind of like the science behind the experiment, you guys, and that's why we are able to create this cool snowstorm inside of our jar, because all the chemicals are reacting with each other.
Well, that was it for today's video, you guys. That was our snowstorm in a jar. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys do give this a try, make sure you guys have the supervision of an adult. That way they can help you out if anything goes wrong. And just remember, you guys, to clean up after yourself. So it might make a mess if you guys put way too many Alka-Seltzers in the jar. So make sure you guys do help your parents clean up and to clean up after yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on our next video. Bye guys.